everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a coaster out of some wooden lolly sticks. Now I've got 120 lolly sticks in here. You can get these all from the pound shop. In the pack you'll get the plain ones and you'll get the multicoloured ones. So let's show you how to make a coaster. You will also need a glue gun. I got this one from eBay for £6 and you get about 100 glue sticks to go with it. You will need an adult to watch you do this glue gun bit for you. So here's the plain wooden one I made, and it sits like that for your cup. You could decorate this as well, or you wanted, I suppose, if you don't use the coloured sticks. Right, first of all, we line, rest that there, line 3 of the lollipop sticks up to about the size of the coaster that you want. And then you get the other lollipop sticks and you put them on their side. And then I want you to glue them to that part. And that part just there, upright. So we put some glue on. This is my first time using a glue stick, so you'll have to bear with me. Fairly easy. Line that up, press it on. Right, that one's stuck. Then we do the other end. Don't need to put too much glue, but just enough to support it really. Make sure they're all even. And then you stick that one on there, press it down. So it is like that, if you can see it. Then we turn it over. Make sure it's level. You can cut the ends off the lollipop sticks if you wanted a normal straight edge, but I think it's nice with the lollipop sticks on myself. I mean, the lollipop sticks on. I think it's nice with the curved edges myself. I think it makes it look a bit different. Anyway, now I'm going to use multicolour lollipop sticks for a bit of a design. So now you put the lollipop sticks all the way across. I'll just show you briefly. Like this. You can glue them all quite close together or a little bit of a gap. I want it to look a bit more like a beach sort of effect. Beach hut effect, if you get what I mean. I'll show you this part. I'll be lining mine all up like this. It's always best to probably do a trial so you know exactly where the lollipop sticks are going to have to go. Like that. So, now to glue them on. Maybe always be careful if you're using a glue gun because the glue is quite hot. It's not too much of a problem if you get it on your fingers, but it's slightly warm. Obviously the hotter glue guns are going to be more dangerous. So that's that first one stuck. The next one is fairly quick and easy to make. We'll fast forward this bit so you're not staring at me gluing this forever. Coaster. Leave it to dry for another like 5 or 10 minutes because obviously some of the glue, like you can see here, is spreading. There you go, there is the multicoloured. Also, another idea, if you wanted to, you could get some Candy Craft paint, metallic paint. And you'll see it actually does work.
That's a gold one. These gold moccasins are about £2 to £3. That's a silver.
And you could spray your coaster to match your room. So, I'm going to what you need to do is just leave that to dry for about 30 minutes, it says on the can. So I've sprayed that one in gold. I mean, I could do with a little bit more there. I have another example. I'll show you the other example. So that's my how to make coasters out of lolly sticks. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. I need some more thumbs up. You could also spray it like a metallic silver colour.